Okay, I'm walking home once again. Hell no, I'm taking a cut because this nigga got some big ass nose, like can't control that bitch. So I'm walking through the grass. As you already seen. Oh my god, that's a big boom. I'm scared of pit bulls. I don't like dog, period.